Travel Down Tips and Tricks 2025. In this video, we'll go over best travel down tips and tricks to help you progress faster in the game. One of the best ways to level up quickly is to focus on merging higher level items instead of lower ones. Prioritize creating rare objects to get better rewards. Make sure to claim your daily bonuses and watch ad rewards to maximize free resources. If you need extra energy, wait for timed bonuses or strategically use gems. Completing tasks efficiently and focusing on the main storyline will also help speed up progression. Managing your inventory is also important. Don't let your board get cluttered with unnecessary items. Keep an eye on limited time events as they offer exclusive rewards that can accelerate your progress. Additionally, playing consistently and logging in daily ensures that you don't miss out on bonuses. And that's how you level up quickly and travel down. If you found these tips helpful, drop a like and let me know what works best for you.